Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Madonna, Little Line Art, helping you with drawing ideas. And for today's video, I'm going to show you another summer drawing ideas or things to draw when you're bored to fill up your sketchbook. So let's get started. So I collected petals from flowers in the bouquet, and so instead of letting it dry, I decided to use it for my sketchbook. So all you have to do is scatter this different kinds of petals from different flowers, so the more colors of petals the better. Then instead of using this spare paper or print paper on the top, use or fold another page of your sketchbook, yes, like a sandwich, so the colors from the flowers will not be wasted. Instead it would just be on one page, so you have one spread. So viola, and hammer it the best as you can. Just be careful not to hammer too much that you'll break the table. So just be careful that the paper will not tear off, and just hammer it nicely. Now I'm going to use this brush pen to doodle, and this is sketchbook page. I decided to just doodle a bunch of flowers to make it a bit bigger so that the texture and really the colors from the petals will pop out. And these are just really simple line drawings, so you can go wild with these ideas. So it's up to you, the sky's the limit. Just enjoy. And if you're looking for more ideas, I have made many separate videos for that, or you can check one at the end cards after this video. And I highly recommend this if you have art blocks or you want to play around and be yourself. This is a little bit different from the previous videos that I made, but letting go of your creative freedom is so satisfying. If you are interested, I made a separate Skillshare class for creating your own coloring page for summer season. You can find a link in my description box, and you can check it out if you want to, and you can submit your project or ask feedbacks to your doodles. And for the second page, this is the most messy area, and I don't want to crowd it too much. I love how it turned out. I just decided to draw a face of a girl for the abstract background, and I've used a lot of different supplies like color pencils, brush pens, Sharpie pens. This is more playful approach than the one I did a while ago, because since I just used brush pen. And I drew some few hairs and floating flowers to come up with air theme for this page. And it's kind of cool and fun to have this textured colors in the paper coming from the flowers. So it's kind of a bit different, but it's also exciting at the same time. So which one do you like better? The first one or the second page? Please let me know in the comment section below. And there you go, guys, that's all for the drawing ideas for today. Thank you for watching my videos, and hope you continue drawing and sketching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.